Breakfast foods for a productive day ahead. Hello, everyone. Starting your day with the right breakfast is key to boosting your energy and setting a positive tone for the rest of the day. A balanced breakfast provides the essential nutrients your body needs to stay energized and focused. Protein-packed options like eggs and Greek yogurt support muscle repair and brain function, while fiber-rich choices such as oatmeal and whole grain toast keep you full longer and aid digestion. Healthy fats from avocado toast and nut butters, along with antioxidants and berries, support your immune system and heart health. Smoothies are another great way to load up on vitamins and minerals, offering a quick and easy nutrient boost. By incorporating these nutrient-dense foods, you'll feel more energized, productive, and ready to tackle the day ahead. 1. Oatmeal. Starting your day with a warm, hearty bowl of oatmeal offers a range of health benefits that go beyond just satisfying your hunger. Rich in fiber, it keeps you feeling full and energized throughout the morning. One serving provides essential nutrients like iron and B vitamins, supporting energy levels and brain function. The soluble fiber in oats, particularly beta-glucan, is known to lower cholesterol levels and promote heart health. This versatile dish can be customized to your liking. Add fresh fruits, nuts, seeds, or a spoonful of nut butter for added protein and flavor. Whether you enjoy it sweet with honey and berries or savory with avocado and eggs, oatmeal is a nutritious, heart-healthy breakfast that helps fuel your body and mind for the day ahead. 2. Eggs. Eggs are a versatile and nutrient-packed breakfast option, offering a wide range of health benefits. Known for being an excellent source of high-quality protein, just one large egg provides about 6 grams of protein, essential for muscle building and repair. Rich in essential vitamins and minerals, eggs are one of the few food sources of vitamin D, which supports bone health and immune function. They also contain choline, vital for brain health and cognitive function. Despite the misconception about cholesterol, studies show that eating eggs in moderation up to 1 per day does not increase the risk of heart disease and can be part of a healthy diet. Whether you prefer them scrambled, poached, or boiled, eggs are an incredibly adaptable ingredient that can be incorporated into various dishes, from omelets to breakfast burritos. Adding vegetables, herbs, and spices to eggs can enhance their flavor and nutritional value. With their combination of protein, vitamins, and healthy fats, eggs are the perfect way to fuel your body and set you up for a productive day. 3. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a creamy, nutrient-dense breakfast option that offers numerous health benefits. Packed with protein, 1 cup of Greek yogurt contains about 17 grams, nearly double the protein found in regular yogurt, making it a great choice for muscle repair and keeping you feeling full longer. It's also rich in calcium, which supports strong bones and teeth, and contains probiotics that promote gut health and boost the immune system. Greek yogurt's thick texture and tangy flavor make it a versatile base for a variety of toppings, from fresh fruit and honey to granola and nuts. You can even use it as a substitute for sour cream or mayo in recipes, adding a healthy twist to your meals. Though Greek yogurt can be higher in fat, you can opt for low-fat or non-fat varieties if you're watching your calorie intake. With its impressive protein content and numerous health benefits, Greek yogurt is a great addition to any breakfast routine, helping you start your day with a nutritious and satisfying meal that supports overall well-being. 4. Avocado toast. Avocado toast has become a popular breakfast choice, and for good reason. It's not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that support overall health. Avocados are an excellent source of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, which help improve cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. They also provide fiber, which aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full throughout the morning. When paired with whole grain toast, avocado toast becomes a balanced meal rich in vitamins, minerals, and complex carbohydrates, offering steady energy without the blood sugar spikes that come from refined carbs. This dish is incredibly versatile. Add toppings like poached eggs, cherry tomatoes, or a sprinkle of chili flakes for extra flavor and nutrients. Whether enjoyed as a quick breakfast or a leisurely brunch, avocado toast is a satisfying, nutrient-packed way to start your day. It's a perfect option for those looking to eat healthier without sacrificing taste or convenience. 5. Berries. Berries are a powerhouse of nutrition, making them a fantastic addition to your breakfast routine. Rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber, they offer a wide array of health benefits. Packed with vitamin C, berries help strengthen the immune system, promote healthy skin, and reduce inflammation. Their high antioxidant content, particularly anthocyanins, protects the body from oxidative stress, which is linked to aging and chronic diseases. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries also aid digestion due to their fiber content and can help lower cholesterol levels. Not only are they nutritious, but their natural sweetness makes them a perfect addition to oatmeal, yogurt, smoothies, or simply enjoyed on their own. Berries can even be added to savory dishes for a burst of flavor. While fresh berries can be expensive, frozen berries offer a cost-effective alternative without compromising nutritional value. By incorporating berries into your breakfast, you can enjoy a delicious, antioxidant-rich start to your day while supporting your overall health. 6. Smoothies. Smoothies are an easy and convenient way to pack a nutritious punch into your morning routine. By blending a variety of fruits, vegetables, and other wholesome ingredients, you can create a nutrient-dense meal in just minutes. Smoothies are highly customizable, allowing you to tailor them to your specific taste and dietary needs. You can add leafy greens like spinach or kale, protein-rich options like Greek yogurt or protein powder, and healthy fats from ingredients like avocado or nut butter. They're also an excellent way to sneak in extra servings of fruits and veggies, especially for those who struggle to meet their daily intake. One of the biggest benefits of smoothies is their portability. Prepare them ahead of time and take them with you for a quick, on-the-go breakfast. However, it's important to keep an eye on the ingredients to avoid excess sugar, so try to balance your smoothie with whole fruits, vegetables, and minimal added sweeteners. With endless combinations, smoothies are a delicious, versatile, and nutritious option for a quick breakfast that supports both your energy levels and overall well-being. 7. Whole grain toast. Whole grain toast is a simple yet powerful breakfast option that provides a solid foundation for a nutritious start to your day. Unlike refined white bread, which is stripped of many essential nutrients, whole grain toast is made from unprocessed grains, preserving its natural fiber, vitamins, and minerals. The high fiber content helps regulate digestion, control blood sugar levels, and keep you feeling full longer. Additionally, whole grains are a great source of B vitamins, which play a key role in energy production and brain health. The complex carbohydrates in whole grain toast release energy slowly, preventing energy crashes later in the day. To enhance its nutritional value, you can top whole grain toast with healthy options like avocado, eggs, or nut butter. These toppings add healthy fats, protein, and additional fiber, making for a well-rounded meal that supports sustained energy. Whether you prefer it with a spread, topped with veggies, or enjoyed alongside a smoothie, whole grain toast is a versatile and nutrient-packed choice that fuels your body for a productive day ahead. 8. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are a tiny superfood with a big nutritional punch, making them a fantastic addition to any breakfast. Packed with fiber, protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins and minerals, these seeds offer a variety of health benefits. Just 1 tablespoon of chia seeds provides up to 5 grams of fiber, which aids in digestion, supports heart health, and helps regulate blood sugar levels. They are also a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and support brain health. Chia seeds contain a variety of vital minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, all of which contribute to stronger bones, better muscle function, and improved energy levels. One of their unique properties is their ability to absorb liquid and expand, which makes them perfect for creating puddings, adding to smoothies, or mixing into oatmeal and yogurt for added texture. With their versatility and impressive nutrient profile, chia seeds are a simple yet powerful way to boost your breakfast and support your overall health. Whether you soak them overnight or sprinkle them on top of your meals, chia seeds provide an easy and delicious way to start your day on the right foot. A well-balanced breakfast is crucial for starting your day with energy and focus, and incorporating nutrient-dense foods can make a world of difference. From fiber-packed oatmeal to protein-rich eggs and versatile smoothies, the options are endless. Including foods like Greek yogurt, avocado toast, and chia seeds provides not only essential vitamins and minerals, but also keeps you feeling full and satisfied throughout the morning. These breakfasts fuel your metabolism, support heart health, and boost brain function, helping you tackle the day ahead with confidence. The key is to choose a variety of whole foods that offer both nourishment and flavor, while also supporting your unique dietary needs. By making the most of your morning meal, you can enhance your productivity, improve your overall well-being, and set the tone for a successful day. Don't forget to pair your breakfast with hydration and give yourself time to enjoy your meal without rushing. With these nutritious options, you'll feel energized and ready to take on whatever the day brings. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Your support helps us continue creating valuable tips and resources to help you live a healthier, more productive life. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest videos and never miss out on essential health and nutrition advice. We'd love to hear your thoughts too, so feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for being part of our community, and we look forward to bringing you more tips to kickstart your day in the best way possible.